So today we're doing a video of a Regenerate treatment with DNA products. We're going to do a peel, a mask, and Regenerate the Signal Pro in. We're going to get more collagen production by using the Signal Pro with the Nano pen. You could also use the Dr. pen with the Nano tip, but Regenerate is a bit stronger, so it's very important to be careful with the movements. And this video will demonstrate what they should be. So just starting off, we're going to, with this client, do a citrus cleanse, and we're going to add some vitamin C crystals just to ensure collagen induction. Once we're 40 years old, we no longer stimulate collagen without vitamin C. Ours is a powder, so we just cocktail it in. We infuse all the vitamin C in with the cleanser. It reaches the adipose tissue within seconds because our C is chirally correct. So that means it goes all the way to the fatty layer right away, so it's not a waste of crystals. You know it's getting in there. You can do several cleanses. I've already cleansed this client. And then we're going to move right into the lactic acid peel. I'm choosing lactic for her. She's a redhead, so she has a little bit more sensitive skin type. But typically with a client you don't know, you want to start with our lactic peel. It's made from organic milk whey, and so it's pretty moisturizing and light for the general population. So just half of a tincture should cover the face, neck, and chest. And that's because it's a gel pill, so it goes very far. I'm going to go ahead and spread it. You can go ahead and get it up on the eyelids. Now I'm going to let this peel develop for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add the berry polish to it with vitamin C just to get her that extra glow and penetration of vitamin C. We do this when we want to, if we're short on time and we want other time to do other modalities like microcurrent or LED, for example. This way we can save time. Otherwise, you can go ahead and develop the peel, then remove it after 7 minutes, and then do the mask for another 7 to 10 minutes. It just depends on the time allowed. I typically, with the lactic, massage it in. I find I get an even better glow. Same with the our masks. You can kind of massage them in. The berry polish is, and like all DNA products, very concentrated. You need very little. We are lacking about 60% water in our products. Most lines are putting excessive amounts of water. You just need a dash of vitamin C crystals. I'm going to add a little bit of water or Floral Bliss or Hydro Blend to it. So now I've cocktailed in the vitamin C. If I thought she was really getting sensitive already from the peel, I could have added Zen Therapy Gel with the peptides. That would calm her down immediately. You could cocktail anything together with DNA. So just massaging it in. That ensures deeper penetration and a really gorgeous glow. If your client had a lot of impactions and blackheads, you could do one of our clay masks on the T-zone. If you still wanted to use the berry polish, or if she needed a clay mask, you could still massage the clay in. But you'd want to do your extractions prior to the Regenerate process. DNA Cryo, the Signal Pro and Plus, can actually close the pores down to prepubescent size over time, but you've got to clean out the pore in order to get the signal in there. So clean out those impactions very well, and then you can put a little lactic acid into the pore. This is part of my pore refining protocol. But you can massage the lactic into the pore after you've exfoliated it, because you want to melt those intercellular or the epithelial cells intracellularly inside the pore. And those probably haven't seen the light for a while, so they could use a peel. And you just do it for a minute, and then you just can wash the lactic right off. And then when you do the cryo, you see that pore shrink up. It's amazing. We're going to go ahead and remove this peel and mask. I'm going to do a double cleanse with the citrus or the lightning wash to make sure that it's ready for the cryo. The Signal Pro works by sending a message of perfection to the cell, but you cannot have anything on the skin in that process. It will not send anything through. It relies on going through the pore and the follicle. Now, if you're needling or you're doing the Regenerate, it's going to open those channels even further. So that's the whole incentive for doing it with DNA. Okay, one more cleanse. I'm going to use the lightning wash now. This has the natural tyrosinase inhibitor in it. So it helps your hyperpigmentation. It can also get rid of red in the face. Calms it down.